At this point, you've identified and explored some occupations that interest you. Your next assignment in career coaching is a two-step process to explore your current job choices so that you'll have the information you need to narrow your choices down to 3 final occupations. You'll use several methods in this exploration. When you explore occupations in different ways, you'll collect more detailed information about each job. This will help you make better final choices. This video will help you understand the list of questions you need to ask about each occupation, learn the different resources you need to investigate your final choices, and narrow your list of occupations down to 3 jobs for final exploration. There are 2 parts in the career exploration training that you must complete for this exercise. Step 2A, Explore and Focus Your Career Options, Part 1, and then Step 2C, Explore and Focus Your Career Options, Part 2, My Best Fit Occupations. Go to Session 2, Step 2, Explore and Focus, which is Step 2A in the Career Coaching Training Portal. Read the first page of instructions on the Explore and Focus exercise. There are 5 steps in the 2 parts of this exercise. Step 1, Review your occupations. Step 2, identify additional information you need. Step 3, select the resources you need. Step 4, enhance your occupation information. And Step 5, pick your 3 best fit occupations. Look at the example My Occupational Options chart in Step 1. Use your own chart to complete this exercise. Enter your top 6 occupation selections in the boxes in Step 1. Go to Step 2 and research the different additional information sources you might investigate. Some of these include education and skill requirements for the job, unique skill characteristics and requirements, specialized training required, opportunities for advancement, working conditions, travel required, job opportunities in this occupation. In other words, is there enough demand where I live for this job? Opportunities in other markets, pay range, typical day of work in this occupation, and does this occupation fit my life plans? Next, for each occupation you listed earlier, enter the information you want to learn about each occupation in the space provided. Next, review the list of resources you might want to use to investigate each occupation. Some of these include Occupational Outlook Quarterly, a publication found at your local library, information interviews, job shadowing, volunteering at an organization with this occupation, attending job fairs, workforce development centers and colleges, and websites. And you can learn more about helpful websites in other parts of this training portal. Enter the resource options you plan to use in the space provided in the exercise. Enter your name in the space provided. Print out your summary sheet of your final 6 occupations with questions you want to ask and resources you want to explore. Before going to Part 2 of this exercise, use your plan from Part 1 to investigate, question, and research each of your 6 choices. There may be an extended period of time before you're ready to complete Part 2. This is often the longest part of career coaching. This is the time you'll be doing research, information interviewing, job shadowing, and volunteering to collect the in-depth information you need to make your next important choices. Be sure to ask for assistance during this step from your career coach, OTE specialist, manager, or mentor. Take notes on all that you learn and then use this information as you complete Part 2. Once you've completed your investigations, go back into the Career Coaching Session 2. The second part of the career exploration exercise is in Step 2C, Explore and Focus Your Career Options, Part 2. Your assignment is to complete the My 3 Best Fit Occupations exercise. Read the instructions for this exercise in the Session Part 2 materials. Refer to your notes and information collected. Use this information to narrow your list to your final 3 occupational options. Now enter your information on your final 3 choices and your name in the space provided in the exercise. Go to the next page of the exercise and print your results. Congratulations! You've now researched and narrowed your best fit occupations down to 3 choices. You're getting closer to your final goal of discovering a job that's a best fit for you. A major part of your work is now completed. Use this information in the remaining coaching sessions to further refine your choices. In a later exercise, you'll be asked to narrow your career options down to a single occupation as your career match. Don't be afraid to revisit these exercises and steps as you collect more information on your occupations and find other potential occupations.